In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple website with GetResponse. To get started, you'll first need to log into your GetResponse account. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Tools section, which you can find at the top of the main dashboard. Go ahead and click on it, then select Website Builder from the drop-down menu. You'll then see a button that says Create Website. Clicking this will launch us into the exciting process of building your new site. Now let's talk about how to start building your website. GetResponse offers two main approaches, and you can choose the one that best fits your needs. The first option is the AI Website Builder. This is a great choice if you want a quick and easy setup. Here, you just need to answer a few straightforward questions about your business, and the AI will then generate a website tailored to your specifications. It's a fantastic option for those who may not have a lot of time or experience with web development. Alternatively, you can select a template. This option allows you to choose from a variety of pre-designed templates that you can customize yourself. This is perfect for those who have a vision in mind and would like more control over how their website looks. Once you've decided on the method that suits you best, the next exciting step is customizing your website. If you've gone with the AI Website Builder, much of the heavy lifting will be done for you, but you'll still have the opportunity to tweak things to your liking. On the other hand, if you're working from a template, you'll be diving deeper into customization. You have the option to modify colors, fonts, and images to align with your brand's identity. Look for areas where you can add your own text to communicate your message clearly. It's also essential to make sure your site is user-friendly and easy to navigate, so pay attention to the layout and organization of content. Remember, a website is often the first impression potential clients or customers have of your business, so you want it to be polished and professional. As you make changes, periodically preview the site to see how everything looks and functions. Don't be afraid to try different designs until it feels right to you. It's about making your website visually appealing and reflective of your brand's personality. After you've finished customizing, take a moment to review everything one more time. Ensure all the elements are in place, and there are no typos or broken links. Once you're satisfied with the final product, you're ready to publish your website and share it with the world. Overall, the process of building a website with GetResponse is straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to focus on what matters most, creating a professional online presence that represents your business effectively. So there you have it, your own simple yet effective website built using GetResponse. Thank you for tuning in, and happy website building.